Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Quick update because we currently see here some movement. Short term, one of the very interesting charts. Still a bit skeptical here, but we've been following this sort of bullish count basically since the dip down here on the 10th of November. Identified here bullish setup in the last few videos. And then yesterday only, because some of you requested it, I made a video and gave you a target. I think it was $80. And we already came to that level. So let me just double check that. We basically can see that since the low here on the 9th of November, this counted as a wave 1 and here a wave 2. I think that's where I left it in the video before the last one that I made yesterday. And we had here another one to set up and told you that in a wave 3 we should now ideally reach, let me just double check that now because I didn't rewatch the video, but well, it would have been $76 as a minimum. Yeah, we clearly did overshoot that. That is for now quite a bullish signal and is looking quite good. So at the moment my view would be that this here was a third wave. We're now coming down in a fourth and should push higher once more in a fifth of wave 3. Then there should be another wave 4 down and another fifth wave up. That is currently how I see it ideally. It could also be, and that depends on how this is all constructed, it could also be that this is already this wave 3 and there will be only one more wave up before we come down. But yeah, congratulations for anybody who did trade this third wave. Important levels now for a stop loss. Now I'm not telling you to do that, it's up to you, but looking at this in terms of setting now a possible stop loss level where the price should ideally not drop below. So that is a target for because it would assume we are now in a fourth wave, right? And in a fourth wave you would not go below the 50% FIB retracement. So the $71 level should not be broken substantially. Yeah, if it does, we've got again a very weird pattern. Cryptos like to do these weird patterns in the current market environment, but then I would lose some confidence into this. Ideally, in an ideal world, now we all know the world isn't ideal, but in an ideal world with let's say the most likely pattern or support area for this wave 4 would now be the area here between $77, and we reached that already. That's the minimum retracement. The ideal retracement is $74, the 38.2% FIB level, and the maximum it should do is $71. If we break below 71, then we could come down all the way here to channel support around 65. Then we can take it from there, but then we would lose a lot of confidence in this pattern. Yeah, so in really ideally it reverses now and moves up in a fifth wave of a third, or if we say okay, maybe the third one was already in here in the fifth one, there should be one more leg upcoming. And that, if it doesn't, it would put some serious doubt on the scenario of a breakout here. And don't get me wrong, I'm still very skeptical about this one because the larger wave 1 here after June was only a leading diagonal. Now cryptos like to do leading diagonals, but it's still, it was not a nice impulse here. But we can count it as a wave 1, a wave 2. So we're currently giving this chart a chance. The wave 3 to the upside would be the next, that's where we are in at the moment. When that wave 3 in green is in, there should be a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. But yeah, this third wave here in white should be finished. We're coming down in the fourth, and this should be only a shallow retracement all the way down as a maximum to $71, and at the latest there it should move up in a fifth wave. Target for a fifth wave, I can't really give you that yet. We can try. So I can give you sort of the textbook target, right? A textbook target would be the 2.618 FIB extension. We talk about $95 as a rough guide, but we can really specify that a bit further when we have a clear signal that the wave 4 low was in. Let me know in the comments if we get enough views. I might do another Litecoin update. They are not that popular, unfortunately, but maybe they are getting a bit more popular now that we've seen some movement here. And then I will do one more today later. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.